I got this multi-function foldable level sent to me at no cost for the purpose of this review. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. When you open the box, it just has this level in it. There's no manual or anything like that. And it does hold quite well. I mean, these little knuckles or hinges here are pretty stiff, so it looks like it's going to hold well. And again, you know, it's foldable, so you basically move it in whatever direction you need to move it in. There's a leveler here, not one in the middle, and then there's one here, and then another one at the end. So it didn't come with a manual, but there is a lot of information on the box. So if you look on this side here, it shows you there's magnets that are built in to this level. There's also hanging slots on the ends. Both sides of the level has this little bumper end that has hanging slots in it. It has 4 different measurement bubbles, 2 of them at a 180 degree, a 90 degree, and then a 45 degree. It gives you some information on the back. You know, it's foldable, it folds up small, has a lot of uses. You can use it as a regular level. You can also use it at angles. So that way, let's say you're going at some corners or some 45s. It has some more information here on the back. It says it's very accurate. It's got shockproof bubbles that can take a beating and still be good. It's UV resistant, and it has shockproof end caps, which, oh, I see, these are soft right here. So if this fell on the floor, it would help damper the hit. And again, you can just fold this thing up. So that is one thing about levels. Typically, if you have a level of any length, it's hard to put anywhere, right? You can't put it in your toolbox, it's too long. Put it in your truck, you know, the longer they are, the more awkward they are to handle and store. Well, this one, you can just fold it up and that pretty much fits anywhere. All right, so let's go ahead and take this outside and see how well this is gonna work as a level. So another cool feature of this is those magnets built in. So let's say you need to check a metal beam or something that's metal to see if it's level. I mean, it will stick to the side, no problem. Then you could put it on the bottom. So those are some very strong magnets that are on this level. So basically, whatever direction you want to do it, it's going to stick. And you can move it and configure it in many different ways. So let's say you have a space that's not even that long, so you need to get the level in there. Well, if this was a normal level, you couldn't just bend it in half and measure that. But this one, you can. So you can adapt it to whatever size you need. Works like a charm. So no matter what strange configuration you're dealing with, you should be able to twist and turn this level and make it do what you want. And then of course, when you're done, you just fold it back up and stick it back in the box or in a tool bag or even in a toolbox. It'll pretty much fit anywhere because it folds up so small. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.